When we decided we wanted this work doing, I researched into slabs. I then found myself looking at Marshalls, and the people that they recommended with the most of their ticks happened to be SE Landscapes. The main problem we had with the garden before this work was done was the patio was sinking and was looking very untidy and was really taking away from the garden. Then we decided the driveway could be done as well, and some way of linking the driveway to the patio seemed like a great idea to us. What really made the difference to us was when Nathan started offering ideas as to how to do something better. Every idea he came up with was a great improvement, and as a DIY enthusiast, it was great to see a true professional do really high quality work. SE Landscapes have done a remarkable job for us here. The design work they did was fantastic and worked out tremendously well, fitting in with the rest of the garden. The attention to detail in implementing that design was fantastic. We're proud of how our garden and our driveway looks. It's a place we really enjoy to sit and just take some time out to read a book or whatever. The professionalism of the SE team was remarkable. Nathan once said to me, if it's not good enough for his home, it's not good enough for my home. That sentiment really came through in the attention to detail that they gave. The communication was very good all the way through. Any questions I'd got, they'd answer. They found the time to talk to me about what they were going to do. It became clear that the quality of work that SE Landscapes do fitted the bill for us, which is a long-term solution that's going to last our time out here. I'd recommend SE Landscapes to anyone that was interested in having this kind of work done. The main reason was because you get an absolutely top quality job done, great design work to help you think your ideas through, great communication to let you know what's going on, and they do a thorough job. Definitely contact SE Landscapes and give them a chance to come round and talk to you about the work they do and how they do it and the results they get.